this morning starting at 10. Only on Nick.
So what happens in the movie Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs?
Well, an invention makes food...
Byron, you chasing Chester?
Cool. My cloud's broken.
With every Big Head Kids meal, you can get a Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs toy. One per kids meal now with a tasty Big Head Burger Shots toothpaste.
Could have been worse.
Okay. Now at Burger King.
On October 2nd,
Wow.
you can experience 3D.
You're not in 3D.
Of course I'm in 3D.
And beyond.
This is so embarrassing.
Disney Pixar's Toy Story and Toy Story 2, the double feature. In Disney Digital 3D, rated G.
Sam's gives your desktop a total makeover. Each figure unlocks its own activities. Like Sam's designer, an e-card creator. Sam's starter kit comes as shown here and works with a live internet connection on your PC or Mac. Other fans sold separately.
Rated E for everyone. Get ready for the ultimate in 3D family fun with Toy Story Mania, now on Wii. It's Dart Throw with ring tossing and playing 3D fun. The Mania begins now. Includes 2 pairs of 3D glasses.
Byron, what you doing? You chasing Chester? Oh no. Your daddy the murmur.
Now you relax and you get some sleep. You know you want more sleep. Frosted. Hey, get back in the back. Hey, you don't make me good.
Byron, look at daddy.
Have a good breakfast.
Byron, look at daddy.
You're out of bed.
On September 22nd,
Yay!
one mischievous dog in the mystery that brought the gang together. Scooby-Doo, The Mystery Begins on Blu-ray combo and DVD September 22nd. Rated PG.
Look, here's Chester.
Rated everyone 10 and up. Tonight,
Sam, Freddie, and I have
Come get her.
obsessed with a certain chef on Food TV.
iCarly's going head-to-head with a master chef in a competition.
What's this? A Band-Aid.
They could get them voted off their own show.
Judge Marla, it looks like you have the deciding vote. Come on, Marla!
Don't miss it only iCarly tonight at 8, only on Nick. The break is over. Now here's more SpongeBob SquarePants on Nickelodeon.